Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something seriously exciting for all you adventurers, eco-travelers, and off-grid dreamers. The all-new 2025 Tricycle Camper. At first glance, it might look like just a cargo trike with a box on the back. But once we pop this thing open, you'll see it's a self-contained, solar-powered micro-camper packed with some serious innovation. Let's start with the basics. The 2025 model is built on a reinforced aluminum tricycle frame, keeping it lightweight but strong enough to carry a fully loaded camper shell. It's powered by a 500 kW pedal assist electric motor with 3 drive modes, Eco, Standard, and Boost, giving you enough range and torque to cruise through city streets or tackle light off-road trails. With a full charge, you can expect up to 60 miles of range, and there's solar trickle charging from the integrated roof panels, which can add 10-15 miles of passive power on sunny days. Now, let's talk about the camper pod itself. The sleeping compartment is fully insulated and weatherproof, with enough headroom to sit up, stretch out, and get comfortable. It includes a fold-flat memory foam mattress that doubles as a cushioned bench, adjustable LED lighting, ventilation fans with insect screens, and side pockets for storage. The 2025 model also introduces climate control insulation, meaning better heat retention on cold nights and improved heat reflection during summer rides. One of the standout upgrades this year is the modular kitchen drawer, which slides out from the rear. It includes a single burner stove, a collapsible sink with a gravity-fed water container, a small food prep area, and a water filtration system. If you're used to minimalist camping setups, this will feel like luxury. Plus, it's designed to be completely removable, so you can take it out and use it as a picnic station or camp table away from the trike. Storage has been improved too. You've got 3 internal compartments for gear, 1 lockable external side hatch, and a solar battery compartment with a 400-watt lithium-ion pack that powers all the lights, fans, and USB ports. The camper also includes a smart dashboard that syncs with your phone, giving you access to GPS, ride stats, battery levels, and even alerts for nearby charging stations or weather changes. Comfort-wise, it's surprisingly livable. The Deluxe model comes with acoustic wall lining for quieter nights, blackout window covers for privacy, and an optional Bluetooth speaker system. And yes, there's an upgrade option for a mini projector mount. Perfect for movie nights under the stars, right from your bed. Let's talk safety. The camper features high-visibility LED lights on all sides, reflective trim, hydraulic disc brakes, and a reinforced roll cage-style roof. It's legally classified as a pedal assist e-bike in most US states and EU countries, meaning you can use bike lanes, avoid registration, or ensure